Many of us are trying to figure out ways to remotely lecture to our students, even if it's just like a 10-minute explanation of a mini lesson or something. Here's an easy way of doing it. So PowerPoint, if you open up PowerPoint and you have a slideshow ready to go, you can go to the slideshow tab, click record slideshow. Then down here, there's a couple settings you should know about. If you don't want to be on video camera and you just want to record the slides, turn off this camera button here, because otherwise you're going to show up in the bottom right corner. So turn that off so it's just the slides. And when you're ready to go, each slide you individually record what you want to say. And you could include like annotations even. So if you click record, it counts down. And let's say I want to highlight something. You can click the highlighter. And with these touch screens, it's really cool because you can just use your finger. So you can highlight, you can write, you can erase mistakes. And then when you're ready to go on to the next slide, you can press stop or just move to the next slide and do it all again. So all of this, everything I'm saying is actually being recorded into the PowerPoint, and it's ready to go. So okay, we can get out of that recording there and go to File, Export, Create a Video. Couple options here. Just do the full HD. So full HD quality. If you recorded something like what we just did, and you want those recordings, the voice and the annotations and all that to show up, then just leave the default setting. But if you just want to like make a video of the slides themselves with no talking or anything like that, you could do use recorded timings. I'm sorry, you could use don't use recorded timings in narrations. Click that. But we are going to use timings and narrations. Create video. And save as an MPG4. Okay. Then it downloads to your desktop and you're ready to go. There's a couple of ways you can put it online. If you want to put it into Google Drive, that's great. If you want to upload it to a YouTube channel that you have, or just YouTube in general, you could do that as well. That's really it. Okay, I hope that's helpful. Maybe.